And it's because the company's going through a big transition in its history. And you need to look back, I think, over what's happened over the past 20 years. Intel was one of the leading players in the world in terms of chip making, in terms of chip design. And then the entire industry shifted to a model where chip manufacturing was outsourced. And that's where you saw the rise of TSMC. Now, under Pat Gelsinger, he's trying to revive that so-called foundry business. This is the manufacturing side. But that, as we've seen, requires billions and billions of dollars of investment just to build one factory alone. Now, I'm sure the CHIPS Act in the US is going to go some way to helping, but at the same time, it's a long term. You can't just build a fab overnight, and we've seen that with TSMC. It takes years to bring something new. So this transition is going to be painful. It's going to require a lot of money. It's going to require big decisions like this, such as the huge reduction in headcount, as well as continued pressure on profitability and on margins as well. And I think the key here is, will Intel be able to catch up? You're talking about companies like TSMC and Samsung, which have been doing this for many, many years and are already talking about chips at the scale of, say, 2 nanometers, which is incredibly advanced within the next couple of years. And so Intel, coming from behind, is it going to be able to catch up? And that's really what this story hinges on going forward.